morning, beautiful people. Good morning. Day 12. Our day is not a normal day. AJ still has a fever. He's talkative today, but he still has a fever and his little cheekies are all red. Yes, you have a fever, boy. No, Brooklyn, your cheeks are red. Cadence and Kamora have headaches. Brooklyn don't feel right. I'm tired and don't feel right. The whole house is just weird. Daddy already went to work though. Daddy never missed work. He's a hard working man. It's late. I feel like foggy. Ginger shot though. Shot. For a minute I was literally just like thinking, is it really worth recording all these videos? But as I thought that, a little YouTube notification dropped and someone just commented it, these vlogs are everything. So I'm just gonna keep doing it. If it's just one or two people who like it, I don't care. I'm gonna keep doing it for you, one or two people. So, cheers. Okay, I don't know what happened with the recording, but I just made my shake and I'm gonna put it in a cup since I'm at home. Just gonna add some sugar-free Hershey's. I'll use this after I take my MELISA shot. So let's do this now. Can you believe it's the last day of March? Cheers. Before I forget, I was about to eat the camera. Okay, so it's been like 3-4 hours, so I should have had a snack. So I'm gonna use one of my wraps that I've used in my other vlogs, and I'm actually gonna warm it up in the microwave. Cheese, and I'm gonna warm it up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I added, it's very hot, the plate's hot, so I added cheese and 2 pieces of chicken that I cooked on yesterday's vlog. So if you didn't see that, check out day 11 vlog and you'll see me cooking this chicken on here so that you can make it at home as well. I also made this like Chipotle ranch type sauce with Greek yogurt, so it's high in protein. I made this on my vlog yesterday. I'm just going to add a scoop on here. This is good for like 4 days, so I'll be using it in my videos. Just going to add some on here like that. And I'm going to add some onions. Y'all know I love my onions. Brooklyn wants to say hi. Right on top. Oh, and what I want to count this today, I don't know. I'm having such a weird off day. But as long as we keep going, right? So I fold it back in like that and fold it up like a taco so nothing spills out. And then I turn it like this. Stuff that back in there. And I will eat it like a taco wrap. This is the first thing I'm eating today since I've had my shake. And it's delicious. Actually really good. Wait, this is what I made. I'm gonna eat it and then I'm gonna have a hot tea. Peace out.
Hey guys, I'm having a cup. This is what it does to the cups. I'm having a cup of tea, so I thought I'd share. I'm currently cleaning the house, so I'm just going to drink this tea to give me some energy and burn some calories, and then I'm going to keep cleaning. So, just keeping you updated on what I'm eating in this eating vlog. Cheers. See you again.
Alright, so I have to run to the store, but I don't want to go hungry, so I'm going to eat a protein bar. And I got coffee. I got the toasted one, which is, how many calories does that say? I can't see it.
Where? The brown sugar one?
No, the vanilla.
140?
140 calories. I'm going to drink a coffee with 140 calories. Beautiful she is. Okay, beautiful people. I am going to go ahead and make my dinner shake. So I'm cleaning this kitchen. My kids just got done eating dinner, so they had pizza night. But I'm gonna go ahead and make my dinner shake and get cleaned up and everything. Today's a very short day, a very weird day, a very off day, but I stayed on track. I don't know. It was just weird. I don't know. It's weird because you can have like 20,000 supporters, but if one person says something, it's like, dang, why they say that? But you know, it is what it is. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep going and doing what I'm doing. So yeah, this is what I ate today. Not much, nothing really new. Sorry about that. But I promise next week I will cook some more. I will share more like quick and healthy recipes that I like to use. I'm not going to do the same thing over and over again, because this whole point of the vlog is to help people stay on track, as well as share like easy healthy recipes to show you that you can stay on track by not eating dry chicken and broccoli every day. So I'm going to go ahead and make my shake, my dinner shake, really fast. It's just going to be a strawberry milkshake type thing, so I can sit down and get some work done while the babies are asleep. The teens are up. They were supposed to go to their dad's, but they decided to stay home because we're all going to go to the Filipino festival tomorrow. I'll record that too, and I'll show you all the bad stuff I'm getting. I'm not going to eat a lot of bad stuff, but I am going to indulge for a minute because it's once a year. But I'm human. It's okay. Stay tuned. You're going to want to watch that vlog. The Filipino festival is freaking awesome, and if you've never been, you should definitely go. But I'm going to make my shake now. Stop talking, okay? Love you guys. Time for my Prolesa shot. I'm running out of Prolesa. If I wasn't taking it twice a day, it would have lasted a lot longer, but I've been doing it twice a day because dinner shakes are the best. The magic happens in the second shake, so if you're not drinking your second shake, you're not going to see the magic happen. Thank you guys for tuning in. That's it for day 12. I know it wasn't a lot, but being transparent with y'all, so it is what it is. But yeah, the next couple of vlogs will be better. And I'll share more stuff with you guys, so thank you to all who are supporting and tuning in. Hope y'all have a great night. Happy weekend. Stay on track over the weekend, y'all. Don't let the weekend ruin your week. Okay? Good night. See you in the next video.